Hello, and thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'll show you how to personalize your Microsoft Edge mobile browser by setting your own image as the background. This quick and easy customization adds a personal touch to your browsing experience. Let's get started with the step-by-step instructions. First, open the Microsoft Edge mobile app on your device. Next, look at the top right corner of the homepage, the menu button. Tap on it. Then scroll down and tap on the option labeled Edit Background. After that, scroll through the wallpaper options until you find the one labeled Use Your Own Image as Wallpaper. Tap on it. Now, your gallery opens. Select the image you want to set as your background. Finally, after choosing the image, tap on the Set button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Your custom background will now appear whenever you open a new tab in Microsoft Edge Mobile. That's all for today's tutorial. Setting a custom background is a simple way to make your browser feel more like your own. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.